Welcome, beautiful people, to round number one of me trying to. Oh, I did. Okay, so we'll do that after this after the round ends, the straight session. Hey Ryan. No one knows. No one knows. Typing 3 minutes, 35 minutes. I will hopefully finish. Well, I have some problems in there, so we will be fixing that in a TypeScript on the front end. So let's get into it. Start the timer. Yes, you can. So what do we have? What do we have? So fuck. It's not optimal. 7:37. Oh boy. Everything's red. We're all gonna die here. I'll fetch myself some drink. That will be it for the typing at this round, at least. Hey, what's good? Nice to see you again. Yeah, I haven't seen you for a while. That's true. How have you been? Oh, you do, Lurk? Ah, so you did see me. I didn't see you. Huh? Well, glad you enjoy the show. I was hoping you would say no, then I would join with another account calls and those free man. Thanks. Oh, that's good. It's good. It's good to be busy. What about me? Let's say it is in a realm between extremes. it's like, okay, I shouldn't complain. Thank you for asking. Okay, I'll look forward to it. I will be in yet another CRM. That. So, we are working on set change amount of consumed ingredient per day. Oh yeah, I want this. What's number? I know, like, the last time I did some kind of like workaround. I did not like that. Hey, Tron Stars. Well, I can. Fuck. How did I do that? So I could iterate over the map that I know how to do. And not over the ingredients. That will be one way. But there should be like some way where I don't have to define a variable in my component just to be a placeholder for for a place where I will store the thing to pass it in here. That's just stupid. I don't like that. There must be a better way. Must be a better way. Okay, so it's using form. Submit input name, but what the hell? You're not calling anything in here, my man. Works, but using ng model and deprecating Angular 6 and we will be removed at 7. What should be used instead? Event target valley. Okay, that's not how. Or I can just send the event. Just put that, huh? Maybe that will work. So I'll pass in the event. And here. Change the signature. Okay. So I don't know what is the. Okay, it's even. Okay, cool. Event. Come on. X. Target. Okay, it will work. Yeah, doesn't work. Object is possibly null. C. The target is, I think. It's your problem. Doesn't exist. Okay, so name. What's this thing? Yep. Shouldn't eat this. I need to put it away or I will eat the whole bag of candies. So I'll try this. Input, we will say. Name will be, I don't know, input, or value. Okay, and now it might work. No. Still nothing. So what about value equals player dot, okay, target, then it will be, oh, what? Yeah, but it doesn't exist already. So does not exist on type, or maybe dude, I don't fucking know. I guess I need to study Angular. Also, someone redeemed the, what is this? The storage session. Ah, well, I should do it. It's not hard. So I'll do it. After it. It's weird that here it looks like it's there. Da, 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 da. So we have the element reference. The fuck? From Angular car. Here they will explain it. Maybe. Oh, that's ugly. That is fucking ugly. The Dark Reader is not so good, is it? This is good enough. Dude, I'm just tuning out. I went through the application on my phone to have a look into like all the biometrics, which I did or whatever. It took. I found out that I don't sleep at all. It's like 5 hours, 4 hours, no hours per day. No wonder I'm fucked up. You know what? Yeah, I'll go sleep after the first round already. I need to like put the shit together. Total break last few days. So yeah. Sorry, Ryan. I will return you the points. So you don't lose that. This I did. This I will sometime, hopefully. Next step would be probably to go through. Well, I did go through the tutorial with Angular, but I went through the Hero tutorial, so maybe I want to have a look at some others. Is there on some tutorial on YouTube? Three years ago. Angular in 3 hours. Start here. Crash course 1 year ago. I'll have a look.
Today you're going to learn Angular 8 from scratch as a beginner.
That's a beginner. Oh, that's
Before
for
we
me.
begin, this video is sponsored by Linode. Now, Linode supplies servers that let you deploy
sure, no one
apps and make
cares.
files from time that if you've watched my previous crash courses on Angular, it's probably not worth watching this one. This is for people who are just getting into it and want to build today. So it's kind of like a real simple playground app where we learn a lot of the core concepts associated with Angular. So this includes learning how to install it, basic templating, data binding, style, class binding with a router, fetching data from an API with HTTP client, deployment, and of course, much, much more. All right, so there's a written version of this tutorial that you can also use to follow.
Applaud? What is that? Huh. Interesting. Never saw this before.
Follow along, it's linked in the description. And also, you should know HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript before trying to learn Angular, Vue, or React or anything like that. All right, so as always, make sure to subscribe and let's get started. All right, so let's talk about installation and getting everything installed. So up here, I have the Windows 10 terminal face, which allows you to anywhere, just recognize, and you're gonna have to head on over to node.js.org and install it, download it based on your OS and all that, get it installed, and then once it's done, it's in your console.
That's not what I want.
So I know it's up to date. Why? The routing, we added that. Let's get started. Now, Studio Code, which is we're gonna type in ng optional automatically in your browser, so you can start working in not Discord. We're gonna go back to our project right here. All right, so first of all, let's talk about the folder structure. It's worth dedicating a little bit of time to outline.
Dude, I'm falling asleep.
That you're commonly working in, and also understand some of the under the hood stuff that makes Angular 8 work. So the folder covering testing folder code working right here, this custom HTML element. This is basically the entry point of the app. You're really not going to be working with an index.html unless you're going to be adding certain imports like adding fonts if you want to go that route. We're going to do it differently though. And then also we have styles.scss, and basically this is where all of your global styles in your Angular 8 app are going to go, and we're going to be working within this section as well. So let's talk about the most basic and most fundamental element of an Angular app, which is components. All right, so think of components as the building blocks of your component. Here,
This is not for me.
I'll describe what that is.
So, explain the basics, of course. Of course, it will show the basics. What else did you expect? PGP? Understanding, component, blah blah blah. Developer guides. Oh, fuck me. There's so many things. So, understanding developer guides, best practices, some other shit. So components, we kind of know what is it, right? Oh, sharing between child and parent directives and component. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I don't know on top of my head how to do that. But this is basically what I need somewhere in here. The templates, I think. It's nice that they have a prerequisites here. Angular concepts, that's modules, components, templates, service dependency, connection, routing. And this is what I wanted, the event binding. Excuse me. Yeah, I have been already on this page. Maybe reading it would help. This is interesting thing. Yeah, he just sent the event. What the event does have. I have a look at the event. It has read only, bubbles, cancelable. What the fuck is that? Returns the object whose event listener callbox is currently being invoked. That's where it should be, right? It should be on the current target. So what did I do in there? I did in the HTML set event current target. Is the value of I don't know. I don't works. I don't know what it is. Let's say any. It was object, right? Doesn't like it. Is there a problem? I don't know. Matches an event property of a known directive. Is an event on the custom click directive? What the fuck does it mean? Click message. I get my click. Clickable. It's clickable on. Okay, so that's This does not help me. Okay, so maybe a different binding it will be. I'm gazing over again. Yeah, I definitely should go sleep. There's no one watching me anyway. Anyway. This is what I wanted. Isn't here missing something, for the fuck's sake? Each control unique name. Oh, it's like index. Huh. Okay. How was it? Index. Just like that. And this will be name, will be value. You do that. Oh, it will be, oh fuck. Yeah, so that should be in. And then we will call, oh, what was the method? Oh, no, it's the event, that's the method already. Uh, God fucking damn it, I don't know. Gmodel, what is this? Why? Fuck. Okay, I don't know. I'm just toasted. I should go sleep. Oh, thank you for coming. Sorry for not using stream. And I don't feel the best.